Hello students, welcome to our mathematics class. Our today's topic is circle properties of chords. Lesson number 17, circle, chord, arc. In this lesson, we studied the properties of a chord and arc. Here we draw a figure. What is the question? In the adjoining figure, O is the center of the circle. With reference to this figure, filling the blanks. Segment OD is dash dash of the circle. Segment OD is a radius. When any point on the circle and the center, when we join, that segment is called radius. Therefore, here segment OD is a radius, segment OB is also radius, segment OA is also radius. So, write down the answer, that is a radius. Second one, segment AB is dash dash of the circle. This is the diameter. What is the difference between the chord and the diameter? Any 2 points on the circle, when we join these 2 points, then that segment is called chord. Therefore, AB is also chord, but chord AB passing through the center of the circle. Therefore, this is a diameter. So, write down segment AB is a diameter. Next one, segment PQ is a chord. Next, dash dash is a central angle. The angle formed at the center of the circle is called a central angle. Angle BOD and angle AOD are the central angles. So write down any one of the name. Angle BOD. Minor arcs. Minor arc means the measure of the arc is less than 180 is called a minor arc. Angle arc AXD. This arc is a minor arc. Similarly, arc BD. Whenever we use only 2 points for the arc, that arc must be a minor arc. इकडे लक्ष द्या, हा BD हा आर्क आपण असाही घेऊ शकतो. ह्या बी पासून सुरू केला आणि इथं डी पर्यंत आणला. But this is not a minor arc. So, whenever you use only 2 points, then that must be a minor arc. Therefore, minor arc BD indicates this part. Next minor arc AP means only this part. Next one, arc APQ. Arc APQ. Arc APQ. Arc BQ. Arc BQ is also a minor arc. Now, next one, that is a arc BQP, means this is also a minor arc because measure of this arc is less than 180. Major arc. Major arc means measure of the arc must be greater than 180. Arc PAB means this arc. Starting from P and middle point is A and the end point is B. This is major arc. Similarly, next one, arc PDQ means starting from P, D is middle point and Q means this is a major arc. Next, similarly, we write down the next arc, that is APD, that is start from A and end with at point D. APD. Next one, arc B started at B, A, Q. Arc ADP. ADP means AD. Semicircular arc. Semicircular arc means here AB is the chord. This chord divides the circle into parts, two equal parts, and each part is called semicircular arc. These two parts are semicircular arc. Arc A, D, A, D, B, and second one A, P, B or AQB. APB, APB or AQB are the same arc. Major arc DB. How to measure the arc? This is equal to measure of its central angle, means angle DOB. Now measure arc DAB means which arc? DAB means this complete arc, means complete circle. Measure of circle is 360 degrees. Therefore, this arc, measure of this arc is 360 minus major angle BDOB. We subtract this angle. Write down angle DOB. So write down all these, filling the blanks. Next part.